Oh, I can't see it. I can hear it beeping, but I can't see it. That's highly unfortunate. And the worst part is this wall here is thorn bushes. So yeah, I'm kind of screwed. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and this is my desperate measure. Got a big old carbon tube with some paper clips on the end of it attached to the Alta X here. And I'm gonna go try and poke the drone down or hook it or something, I don't know. Got an FPV camera on here so I can hopefully see the drone through that and then inch the Alta forward. I cannot imagine that this is gonna work well, but I don't know what else to do right now. Wow, that's bad. The pole oscillates. So I just detuned the pitch axis a little bit and I'm gonna try again. I think I might be the luckiest human alive. I don't know how the hell that worked. I thought it just kind of started hitting the branches, and in the FPV feed I saw a branch fall down, and I think that branch contained my quad. What the hell? I don't know how that worked. That is absolutely incredible. And the carbon pole on the front of the Alta even came in half. I just had it glued and zip tied together. Wow, okay, A, I cannot believe that thing is still flying. And B, I cannot believe that thing came out of the tree. What? This is nuts. I am so happy right now. Woo, okay. I'm staying away from these trees. And I even thought that if I did knock that little quad out of these trees, I would still have to climb through these blackberry bushes, which are basically just covered in thorns, and get it back, but I don't even have to do that. Oh, I'm so happy. There it is, the Nazgul 5-inch freestyle quad. Safe and sound. I actually care more about the footage that's on this GoPro right now because I got some amazing air-to-air footage this morning right before I crashed into the tree. Don't try this at home. That was really dangerous. Thank you to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Have you ever wanted to make your electronics projects look more professional? Check out this custom PCB assembly I had made for an upcoming electronics project I'm working on. It's made through PCBWay's assembly service, so I just sent them the bill of materials and Gerber files, and they do everything else. Have you ever wanted to get into designing your own PCBs? If so, check them out at PCBWay.com. I'm at a place called Saddle Mountain in eastern Washington. We've got the Volantex Ranger right here, and we're gonna upload a waypoint mission with the computer. And here we've got the Nazgul 5-inch freestyle drone, so we're gonna use this to chase that and get some air-to-air video. Right now I'm charging everything with the EF Delta 1300. I've got GoPro batteries charging, I've got a bunch of power outputs on the back, charging the laptop and charging all my battery chargers for this stuff. So I'm just gonna let the batteries charge a little more and then we're gonna get up in the air. This place is literally made for slope soaring. So crazy. It's like, I think 2,300 vertical feet or something like that. Glad I didn't crash way down there. Huh. Steep hillside, steep enough to slide down, and it's about 2,000 feet long. I've come quite a long ways looking for this thing and I found it. So stoked. Uh-oh, looks like there's no GoPro attached. Shoot. Wow, that's how steep it is. Almost hit my drone with a rock. Oh, where's the GoPro? No. Woo, I'm so happy. I followed a little trail of 3D printed plastic that made up my GoPro mount. Well, I mean 30 minutes later of scrambling up and down this hill, I finally saw some little pieces of my GoPro mount. And look at that. That's a GoPro, if I'd say so myself. Still rolling. Nice, that's awesome. So the drone was way down there. Do you see it sticking up right there? And the GoPro was up here. That's how far apart they were. Crazy. So happy to get that back. See that little pieces of PLA there? Wow, amazing. I can't believe that I recovered all that stuff. I'm hiking back up and I was thinking, like, right now I'm in the mindset that, oh geez, that was terrible. I'm never gonna do anything risky with drones again. But I realized that this happens every time. That mindset wears off eventually, and then you end up right back in the same situation again some other time. I've gotten pretty lucky and I've never really lost any gear. So I guess for the temporary term, I've probably learned my lesson, but for the long term, probably not. But that's just how the cookie crumbles, or the mountain crumbles in this case, because goddamn, this stuff is loose.
Again, thank you to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Have you ever wanted to make your electronics projects look more professional? Or are you a small business that needs low-cost, quick-turn PCB fabrication? If so, check them out at PCBWay.com. Their website has an instant quote feature, so you can get started fast. Also, check out this great video on how PCB manufacturing works. Thanks again to PCBWay.